Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon right here. After you open the application, you should see this page. Now, scroll down through this page, find the option called Advanced Settings and tap on it. And here you should see the option called Unpair Watch. Select it, tap on Unpair Watch. This should remove the watch from the app. You will be redirected to the welcome page, and also the watch should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. You can now open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if you have the Emporio Armani watch on the list of devices connected to your phone via Bluetooth. As you can see, I don't have it, but if you had it, you can tap on the device, tap on the forget this device to basically completely disconnect it from your phone. Okay, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.